Take some picture. Let me get the phone. Take some picture. Man, I practice up with the slingshot there.
We in Guyana. Traveling in Guyana. Look what we get. Get some wild grape. Wild grape.
Sand grape.
Some wild sand grape here. Looky there. See that?
You get any of them now?
Fresh.
Tastes like syrup.
This always gotta eat this thing, right? Out in the bush, gotta eat it. Bismillah. Make sure you don't get no worm. Alright.
Let me try it that way. Bismillah. What it tastes like?
Whatever it tastes like.
Plain.
I'm talking, mate. Look what red one. Maybe you know what I think this.
I know what the thing name.
Look, you get a red one over that side. Don't think this little.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so we're driving up to Kwani here. Well, we're driving up and we're both into Kwani. We're not drive straight to that place. But right now we're here. We gotta see, get some big fish. The scenery here. Man taking some white sand here. And look at that beauty.
Sideway, why?
Yay!
Man almost hit it there though. Same spot. Oh. Let me see. Wait. Let me video you. Let me put the pressure on. Let me see you there. Let me see. What? Alright, let me see. Get second chance. What? So a chance though? What? What? You gave food. What's the is? Twice the time.
Ah! Come on there. Hook up on a fish already. Bring in. Yeah, I did that from there. Yay! A big one. Drag in. Looky there, boy. Early morning refreshments. There's a breakfast, or what? Hey man, get your breakfast there, boy. Yay. Action there, boy. It's a big one. In action there, boy. Early in the morning. Man, get the first one there. Alright.
It's not the first looking at it in Guyana at all.
No man, second.
Oh yeah, we got one last time.
Aye. Just hold them and take a picture and put it on.
You get you get my camera. You get my phone?
Me now hold your phone.
You take one with your phone.
Hold them inside the mouth. Hold them inside the mouth.
But the hook there right there.
Yeah, boy, hold them in there, yeah. Hold them right in there, man. Dash your finger in. Dash your finger in. Dash and squeeze. Aye. Aye. Give you a little job. Aye. Shut us there, boy. Taking a picture there. Aye.
Yeah?
Good day.
Oh, my hat look good.
Yeah, man.
That's how we do it.
Man.
Fish and chips.
Just get there, no?
Fish and chips done ready. See, set up the boat. Watch one big one bus there, boy.
Yeah.
Look a big fish bus over there.
You have to halal this fish just come out the water. We have a halal fish.
Oh, big one bus.
Fish and plants and chips. Nani. Nani Shaw. Look it there, boy. Sharp and sweet. I was feeling a little brave for it, you know.
Still over the wood you got it from?
Eh?
You say you get it from?
Right to the edge and the wood.
Which wood?
The same wood over there. You see them two wood will stick out? And the other one behind it? Yeah, right in front of it. Look the man there, boy. Sweet. Nani Shaw. First proper one there, boy. So we can keep. I'll contribute to this. Hi guys, back with boys amazing outdoor enthusiasts. So today is day one. We're going out catching Kwani peacock bass. Alright, so we're in the Amazon here. This is considered Amazon, right?
Yep.
And pulling up some of these big guys. This is a small one, but stay tuned to see more. Alright.
Me walk a platform.
Hey.
What them? Two of them, boy.
Mary, keep get a big in there, boy. What? Boat going away?
The man trying to run in the boat.
Problems, you know. The man going.
Big one, boy. Nah, you hook up.
You hook up. Hey. You ain't seen that jump up yet?
No, man, you're
Now, once he loose out and come out, then you will see action. Beer jumps. Need net? Yeah, man, he ding there. Still a boat though. Kan, boss there, boy. Little one here. Look the action here, boy. Hey, now play up like you big now. Play up like you big.
Yeah. Come on. Make it. Huh?
Alright.
Yeah.
Looking good too. Maybe a this other man?
This was just about Africa.
Not that one, not that one. That one, the one for the whopper plopper, yeah. Ano ba? This man got any gill. Thorny.
Warly for the waste like the Ricky. Early.
Alright guys, see that fish? God, it's a Locanani. Okay there, first one in Guyana. That's it. They out here. I'll throw you back. Why ain't putting me on there? Okay, mad. Alright, another one here. This one feel real nice too. Come over here to daddy. Eh?
Very good.
Let me see first. You get it there. Piray. Piran, dance. You get players? No, I hold this man, you know. Get you good too, you know. This man bite up me bait.
Oh, sorry. I get a prize.
Hand me on that quick, hand me on that quick. You keeping it or what you do with it?
No.
Overboard.
Dash with that. In tiny one. No, big one. Maybe. Nice reel you got him on. Try to buy this thing, you think too expensive.
What? Go back. Don't come back to me. That's the next if. I run in that this year.
Where's what, Shimano?
Hey.
Yeah. There's a new next year.
Hey. See Jerome get one.
Yeah, Jerome get one the same thing. Peacock bass, man.
I missed one to buy. I thought we would have doubled up the just now. The little young, eh? I see him. Ay.
Oh, mate. Today, mate.
Ay. Amida. Tanglapan, dance. Are you keeping it slack like that? Getting some Aymara. Aymara. Doing a little. Oh, gone, boy. Gone. Again, nothing there. Such a nice peacock bass here. Now it's time to give him a nice safe release. Alright, big guy, it's all you. Lily man.
Molly?
Wait, hold on.
Go, keep this one. Yeah, keep going. This one, nice one.
Oh.
gotta get that up front dip net. Come on, next up. Behind me, Lord.
Yeah, no.
We there.
One thing about one out there front. Take it in an hook so good.
Here's the next one. There's hook with this place and this one too. Next fish is get over. Here next fish around the skin. Another one there, why? There's one just grab me right here when they ask me for something, you know.
Tell me when they grab you, what, eh?
Yeah. You'll come, you'll pass and pick it up, eh?
When they jam you.
Oh, you grab it and show anyway.
Don't be a don still. Don't be a don.
Young things like that. How when I look like
Done.
You want to catch the fish and put the boat in the man?
Yeah, brother.
Don't catch the fish, you want to control the boat and put the boat in the nest.
I'm trying to my shoulder for a style.
I don't feel bad for them to go Guyana.
Get too much action out there, right? I'm not sure which one over.
Whoever come first.
You just keep doing it yourself. One that you're not spending good. Can over to the other one, right?
Then I stick. Nah, feed it. Bring in there, boy. Bring in there.
Small. Look
Bring in there. Fish a fish, boy. That food. Don't know. Let me see I release you now.
Wow. Man, release yourself here, boy.
Yeah. The man following too.
Man, don't watch those movements. No, you can't see. My father's link shot already, see, right? High. How you just shooting high? Oh.
What?
Get it there.
What? Man run in the water there, boy. You're knocky there. You come up and run. Do this side aim more low. Swing shotgun and shoot low down to the side.
Oh, nice.
It's a big one though.
I go check it out.
I think the big one far along, you know. One touch ground and one left up.
Hold on, one do I see?
Yeah, I only see one too. But here's some fall down. That one they'll pay. You see something?
He fall there just and run overboard.
Eh? You run back?
No,
Hey,
he
good
fall
day.
down and run overboard.
Where you going, come on? Go over. You see? Something moving in the water along there. Maybe dive on it. Going up on this island here. This is how we do it. Yeah. Got the boat there. Rose coming out. Fishing out in front. And in the back. Everywhere. Got my rod. Let's get some fish. Bring you up. That's a big one. Me see the back there. Aye. Aye. What's on the engine there? You want to come out? The man in action there, boy. The man Philip. Yep. The man come for pull out the mommy. Dip net. I get you, man. I get you. Hey. Wow, copy no man. I get you there. Oh, you come back.
What the action there?
Get it there, boy. Get it there, are you?
Nice one, Philip.
Yes.
Very nice fish, Philip is getting.
What very nice fish?
You might finally pull up one fish.
The bite
Come. You can't lie. Alright.
The man pull up another one there.
Man, there, boy. Big line boss, the wrong time, boy. I said the wrong time, boy, line boss.
Look, Ricky, get one there, boy.
Hey, look, my swivel is here.
Yeah.
The rod set up or just this one?
Just that one. Like porch.
Nice.
Still bringing in. Yeah. What thing?
You gonna talk about something?
Thanks.
Huh?
Either side and the other side or the other rod there.
Yeah.
Now hook up. Fish.
Let's get this one. Let's bully technique. You can come back and kill them. Let's start.
You ding down the one side. We'll pull them up. thing there on the edge of this thing can come out. Hold on, man. Gone in good. No, what? Aye. Back here, back here. Go back.
Done?
Yeah. A little small. Really?
The one side that's very cute.
What? I got catchy back then.
Becky? Allez. Voilà. À frappe.
The net. Not fresh.
Frappe.
Net body net.
Yeah, no, it's good. My biggest thing, bite. Size, bite.
Wow. Wow. What's the bite? See the man trophy there? Oh, sky.
The man's like, bite. I catch a big fish, you know, this man don't take with me happiness for me.
Yeah. Got the boat there. Rose coming out. Fishing out in front
Man, catch some there?
and in the back. Everywhere. Got my rod. Let's get some fish.
Play with the fish, man. Let's get them, grab them. Drag them out. No. The fish bite you.
We can another though. I don't want to pull this one. You want to go back over there? I think you wrap up. Watch it up there. That went fast. Come on, boy. Six. Mga left me beautiful do that. See him there?
Yeah. You on there? You might bite there, my dog. What is that? What is that? Fish. Piranha? No. Oh. This is what I do as usual. Oh, big fish, right? You bite it?
Get the man there.
Get some there. What? What there, boy? It's a stem.
Pull it out of the way. No, not choking straight. Pull it out of the way.
It's a stem pepper now.
Pull it hard and see if the thing and bend and come around. Pull it hard and see if the thing and bend and come around.
You can't follow this lower part now. Lower, not lower trees. What did you get it there? Wow. Come on, it's a jump there, boy.
Wow. Catch it there, boy. No.
We'll find out now.
Yeti. Oh.
Dạ, rít quay lắm vậy chứ normal.
Nó ngồi đâm bọt ta không kỳ lắm.
Yeah. Thank God. I left it there. Yeah. Nice one that though. Now fan me take yeah, tackle it. Tackle. How many tackle box now? Tackle box, wait a minute.
What's happening?
Go on, got you.
Panalo mo pa so. Ihesag naman, doubling up. Doubling up. Stay down ba no? Ay, boss off.
What's that?
Boss off.
Shake out. What's that? Shake it out.
Okay, boy. See. Look at the action there, boy. Come on there. Nice. Alright guys, nada MRI. Looky there, in the boat, Sorry, no.
Alright, you gotta open that thing for the way and put them fishes in there.
Alright guys, MR, see it in there? What I got put in there?
The Aymara and then I'm looking at you know. So, open the
Walk man.
over there. Better watch before you think jump back in there, boy.
How much swirl is make when you put them?
Huh?
Like when you tie a knot.
Not plenty, about 20.
What?
Not plenty. About 20. That's almost plenty.
There's a lot of plenty. And still he was off. I don't know. Maybe you check your line if you've been rough up before. But it's snapping off. Ada one there, boy. Look at Nani. Naimara, boy, no big one. Wow.
That's it?
Yes. Look at the action there. Yes.
Maak me hoek naar man.
And man, man boss off, right? Oh no, Dan. We got under the boat. Hey, come in the boat. That big boss off is hey.
Get you one? Yeah.
Alright.
Garbage, man. I can't do this.
The boss off. You want to take care of that?
You get it back.
I went straight under the boat there, so wait.
Brace yourself.
Not too bad. Don't keep your bite. Think bust off and get it there. Look action here. See that? Alright, look at Nani. Peacock bass in the Amazon. Let's go. Let's slow it down for you though. Bring it out. Keep him out of that bay. We got going.
Ah, hook up with a big one, yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Man in action there. Get it there. Hey, that's jumping for you now.
There's our wood right there. Wow, what is that one?
Bringing out there, boy.
It's a local animal.
Oh, of course, I mean.
You want to take the net and scoop it?
Look at the man do the action there.
You want grip? That's your hand.
Feel it there.
Now hold on, the corner, you know.
Bring that into.
You want the grip?
You can't know it.
You don't hold it?
You hold the tail.
Bring it in there.
Nice.
There.
Man, get you there, yes.
Now go no way.
Nice action there, boy. We Philip is class, eh?
Don't know.
Class,
Don't
eh?
know.
Okay.
Yeah, BJ fast out here, he's blowing now.
Man, catch it there now. That's what one thing trick us.
Watch, I get this thing. You want to clamp it? Sorry, is it right behind you there?
What a boss. The action there.
Don't give up, man.
Hey, it's man, boy.
Don't give up, man.
It's man.
You get in there right here, you know, man.
Should I throw it underneath?
Pliers? Okay, you get the pliers? Oh,
Nah, send the thing over.
it's a small one.
Hey,
You'll find class. You gotta go
okay, boy.
You only come out.
The man gets side thrusters. You see the thing that's side. See that boy like tiger fish.
Let's forget the net. We can't lose him.
Put him in there, quick. The next one.
Bring in.
You last, you know.
This guy bye.
Do you dip in the hook on the net as well?
Yeah. You handle it properly, you'll catch it there.
My way same food, buy one less food. I'm looking at it for you tonight.
Back door, boy.
Yeah, see that shot there, boy? Wow. Man spinning so.
Man playing like you run over there.
Yeah, next one there. Gotta be blind. You don't mark up this one. Yeah. Me playing, me waiting to see how your face. It got another one.
I get it now. I Guyana.
Agati.
Hey,
Why you call Agati?
Guyana now. Now anything like this tree, no? Here tree ITSM. Come on. That's what I tell you, come on. You catch. Oh, same thing. Pulling the man open his bed. Gatti.
Gatti. Nah, come on.
So you gotta start somewhere, boy. I'll try one of that back door one day.
This blind fish here is big bad though.
Oh, look around over there, boy. Yep. Can't work the same kind, huh? I think fish all over.
Plenty maca there up here, boy. Flying all over.
Someone might spend something there.
30.
29 or
To
30.
30, yeah. We spray all night and thing. It's like Boxing Day for blessings, man. I think a lot of blessings in the 1 month. Bring you up! Oh no! Man, quite good though. Man, smart man, I share, you know. Man, say you want to, you go take it there. I ain't telling you.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nuts.
Back door. 3.
I'm going to go in the can in front there.
I just seen the hammock right there.
Hammock and I'm going to study the roast fish. With a nice black pepper.
Aye.
Fish season and everything.
This man talking the right language right now, boy. Is that huh?
Single. I put it right one, eh? Put it right one,
Yeah.
Your job.
Now, move that big thing on top there in front. What? Yeah, it's old. What? Man, grilling up there, boy. Wash. Looks like a nest in the Amazon. Look at the size of that. That there, boy. Woo! Alright. Look good. Look good. Got the option there.
Look at the fish.
Landed to the campground. Boat, camp, fire. We will take care of this fire right now. We gotta sleep over here night. Trying to survive the woods. Can't see nothing here right now. We will let you guys know when the fry fish is gone. Got the action there, boy. Done grill up. Boom. In the bush. We in the bush. Look at our tent here, buddy. Alright. Lash food and sleep.